Alright, so today episode, this guy have a Type R. Him claim say it's stuck. He want to see it there. So he want to do roll on the toll. Yeah, that rhyme. So you don't know that person, them call him God. Yeah man, me want some content, so I don't have no problem to come out and have some fun. You understand? So how me I plan for do this with him? Me I take it by stages. Me I start off at the lowest boost pressure. So 5 psi, then me I take it up. I give him about 3 run. I don't want to give too much. You understand? But 3 run should be enough. So make we see how good the Type R is stuck as well him claim. Him just text me and say, get your car hot so I can have a chance. Boy, God, no easy, you know. Alright, we're going to meet him like a g37 now. Once if I get my car hot so I can have a chance. Might can have a chance on 5 psi, let's see. He says a big fan. You ready? Give me something, man. Go on. Get a look at race. Nice machine, man. Yeah, man, do it, man. Yeah, man. See him way. Are they 10 speed? Yeah. Nice. Upgrade the turbo and them thing, man. Them can enough if they upgrade things, man. Yeah. Aye. Alright, machine have to. Good thing out of the CVT. Yeah. Nice machine, man. Front rotor them might want to skim here. Look up on all the fan, you know what I'm saying? Me inspire him about the whole build and thing. You know, nice car, nice platform. Let me see where it's going up. Alright, so we have 5 psi. This is what I gotta get first, and then tap it up. I greet him and I first meet him in a person, you know, him have a personality there. You're different, you know? Yeah. Have a little vibe, man, you know? And Jared, him same there. So I'm gonna see him. Oh, see me? What am I doing this, man? Yo, come down, man. I'm going to that ditch here, you know, dog. Yo! Can meet and greet on the toll, man. Yeah, one of a kind vlog, you know. I always like to show them Type R I can really do. When you come on to roll them nice, because power to weight ratio. But when you come on to circuit and zigzag, they will kill you, man. Suspension nice and aerodynamics on them. Yeah, but in the big drag racing, them not so nice. Yeah, them not so nice at all. contents I want, bro. Yeah, man, these are the content I want. Nice, fun. Somebody call out, you know, we can just do some roll race on, you know? Yeah. Yo! We're gonna stop off first. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Come. Sound good though. Nice. That's actually sound good. I like how that sound. Go on, everything good? Yeah man, big up for you reach out tonight, see me? Yeah man, so you don't know we are doing a little vlog for YouTube because you know content is you know? It sound good though. Sound real good man.
Yeah, that's simple.
Sound good.
That's simple mod, you know. Just buffalo upon removal. Midway center removal.
Are you not tuning it yet?
Stop everything.
It sounds so good. How you say to make it sound so good? Because normally them sound weird, you know. Yeah, when I hear it a while ago, I hear it gear down, I say, what? So sweet man. So here we are going to do it now. So, I'm going to start off with the lowest PSI level we have. So, a 5 PSI, right? We do that first run there. Depends what I run there go. Probably turn it up probably about 2 more PSI. Because I can go way up, you know, to about 15. So, I start off at 5 PSI. That's about 350 horsepower, right? So, this is where I start off from. This is where it there. But a nice content. So, I could do it, you know. Put on your waist. I have on my phone. That good. Wait. Yeah man. Anything you want man. I have a little turbo lock, you know, so once me build boost. No, you blow down. You blow down. No man, you blow down man. Me listen up here man. Don't worry about that. I want to focus. I have too much thing to do one time. Once you go 1, 2, 3, you go. Just blow it man. You're good. We work on that. Alright guys. Make sure you know police. Alright, shall be good. What is it, 50? 50? One. catch up. PSI. You said 5 PSI, man, I turn it up now. Eh? But I found a content, it no matter, man. I found it now. Alright, hold on, I turn it up, look. Hold on, I turn it up. Alright, the real power there now. We are got 60 now. Come on. Come on. Wagwan! You miss gear? Shit. Alright, go on again.
It's so quick. It's so quick.
What this? If it quick? Remember, me have locked that's why, you know. So, no, my turbo tiny. Come again, man. PSI. Huh? Yo, go cool down first. Call police there, so. I give him a little bit more sauce. We should have brake boost me a top ball again, you know, me not have sense. Novice, you know. Novice. Stop. Wagwan! I fun, man. I must say car push power, man.
Stop, you can't just let him pass.
Is it?
Fast, man, you fast. How much was speed there a while ago?
Maybe you go 8 PSI a while ago.
How much that?
That 8 there, 7 give me, what, 380, it's about 4 bills.
4 bills.
Yeah. I talk about like since I have a brake boost, you know. Yeah. But through the 60, kind of have to focus because I focus on my phone and camera.
This will kick off fast because the turbo small.
Yeah, man, you boost. Yeah, man, pick up wicked, man. Yeah, so I find the right RPM or brake boost to set your catch on with you.
I'm saying I'm surprised, man. 5 bills, I think you lie me, I tell.
Yeah, no, man, this. Remember, you know, you see this car, you see when.
All of them lose the quarter, it's easy to eat me like quarter in a bus.
No, you see the circuit to this? This is killer. You see this when I go through, can't hold up on this, man. Because we call it the suspension, your dynamic side, it just go wrong so. I can't do that, man. Me roll and go over, man. But it's a top end power, remember say I drag me a bill this fine.
This. I'm saying, you even put the roll and the quarter, right? But you will be surprised when you kick off.
Yeah, man, kick off wicked with it, man. It's a pity with this, it can't launch.
That's a problem.
If it could have launched, because I see all 400 I run some time ridiculous, but I know say the wheel hub. But I think, I see some guys where...
You're waiting for suppress wheel hub, you know?
Yeah, no, I see somebody achieve it already.
Just ride the clutch a bit.
Because I see 650 horsepower run 10s.
Just ride the clutch, man.
You see me? Look like it rear. Out here, I see nobody do it.
Just ride the clutch.
I don't see nobody do it.
Right, that's the only way to launch without wheel hub.
Look at turbo tiny, man. It's full quickest, man. I say him shoot off, so.
I love fun suppress.
I mean, if you go up in the RPM, man, but you may like stress it. Yeah, man.
I'm say, people say I lie, me I tell. Me a comedian, man, but me show the man him say, man I roll like 394 bills.
Yo, I'm just glad they come because I guess what, I want content and you make the content, brother. Nothing wrong with that, man. I look fun, you know.
I'm saying, you know.
So you see where you stop there now.
Yeah. The reason I know how to tune it.
Why? They say badness, man. You have to tune it, man.
The reason I know I really want to tune it. You know, maybe I could care about it.
Oh, okay.
But after you tune, you lose your pick up.
Eh? Nah, man. How you talk about? You tune it, man. You can't lose a pick up, man. How you talk about?
4.
Me expect touch this I see what I say. You know, them time with the name God.
Gas sport type R.
Yeah.
Gas sport.
Something must wrong with that man. If you tune this, a different beast, different.
How fast a quarter mile, you know?
Me that if you this to that 400 hard, me that struggle because this a power to weight ratio. So you see, that there, yeah, by far man. By far man. Me have to push probably about 5 bills for run this in a 4 because I power to weight ratio with that carrier. Yeah man.
4 gas going up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Beat him at the roll. Pull catch. But he may eat me in the quarter.
Okay.
Yeah, but
oh, you run with him already?
Yeah.
Yeah man. It sound good though, I not lie. I like how it sound. And them carry reliable bad man. Sound good.
Yeah, man,
Me believe if you tune it though, but God main man. Specs, K-tune, you trust me. Lightning.
4 5 is one. Not today.
Me not sure if them go 5 is. Me think about 400 hard. Me can't tell you. Me not in the market that much with this.
Stock clutch, stock kick bottom, stock weight. Them be 700 wheel. Reliable.
You sure about that? Reliable?
Reliable.
No, so I don't believe that. But I, as me say, I wonder. But me no, yeah, me no believe that. Me normally see them go 4 bills so smash. Or 3 high.
When you start, feel it, your bottom and your head is like a curve.
Yeah.
So you have even ultimates, you run 9.3. Like, put in feeling bottom.
They say machine a pull.
You're that fast.
You want to turn it up 5 more pace and make you say it run. At them time where I run man. But yo, I'm glad feet man. I'm
saying no matter who they look come.
Yeah man, a fun brother. Me know say me da go beat you, but a fun cause I want content. Me a build a YouTube channel a monetize and it attractive right now. So I'm glad for content brother.
Give me the win for the OPS sign.
No, you don't win for it man.
Win enough.
No sir. Hey me catch you. You can see your camera see. Yeah, see, remember saying you shoot off, me have the log, so me have pick up. And the 5 PSI ain't enough, but you see it for your camera. You see that will come more stretch? You send a guy back man. But yo, forward man, rush your boat.
Fast
Yeah man, that God himself, you know. I have a little fun with him there. Why am I going to turn it up, but him say not turn it up no more. Just till I get started. That I just see a PSI I'm get. Yep, be. Yes, the flag is nice. Alright, so I put it back 5 PSI. You know, lowest I can go right now. Yeah, dude.
See me, I'm follow your page on TikTok. So the blue one there.
Eh?
The blue one.
I hate this, me the crash.
Real general. Wicked crash a crash.
Yeah man, call up a change.
Eh? Wicked crash a crash.
You don't get them man, big up on yourself man. Oh yes sir, yes sir. Alright, come. Yo! Yeah. You see how 5 PSI wicked? Secret! 5 you know? Eh? 5? 5 PSI? 350. Terrible man. Eh? By far. Yo, pan 5 PSI, you know. Can't spin them tire, you know. Can you talk too low? Can you make what? Look a bit under 300. But the trip, but horsepower. So we can do. Alright folks, I'm the behind me.